C be a given point, and the set of all points is P, having the same distance from C. That is what we call the circle. The point C is called the center of the circle and has a common distance that is a radius. So no matter this segment goes to or any point P, it will still have the same distance. So it is called a radius. The standard equation of the circle when the center is at the origin is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And if the center is not at the origin, we will use this standard equation. The quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Now, let's try to put it in an example. Since the center of the circle is at the origin with coordinates 0 and 0, we are going to use this equation. So you just copy the x squared plus y squared because its coordinates is just 0. So we will have here x squared plus y squared is equal to, our radius is 4, so we are going to replace r with 4. 4 squared. Now take note, 4 squared is 4 times 4. We will have here 16. X squared plus y squared is equal to 16. So this is now our standard equation of the problem. Let's try to graph it. Let's try graphing the standard equation. Remember that our center is located at the origin. And our radius is 4, so we put a point in all positive and negative 4 in every axis. After that, you can use your compass to create a circle. Make sure that the curve crosses all points except its center, just like this one. And we have now our circle with the center at the origin and radius is equal to 4. Our center here is not located at the origin, so we are going to use this equation. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay. H here represents for the x coordinates and k here represents for the y coordinates. Our coordinates, we have -4 and 3. So let's try to solve. X minus our h represents the x coordinates. We have here -4. Replace each with -4. Close parenthesis and then squared. Plus y minus k represents the y coordinate. We have 3. Replace it with 3 and then squared. Is equal to our radius, which is square root of 7. Okay, squared. Now, simplify the following numbers or equation. We have x negative times -4, we will have plus 4 squared plus, just simply copy y minus 3 squared is equal to square root of 7 squared is just simply removing its square root. So we will have here just 7. Okay. So the equation is already simplified. This is now our final standard equation for the problem. Let's try to graph it. Our center is at -4 and 3. So we will place our point there, just like that. Next is, I like to use another imaginary Cartesian plane just to avoid the confusion when we are going to locate our radius. So our radius here is square root of 7 or approximately 2.6 in decimals. So we will put a point in every positive or negative 2.6 in our imaginary Cartesian plane. So estimation, let's say our point 2.6 located there, like that. And then again, just simply create a circle using your compass to form a correct circle. Make sure that it crosses every point except the center. And then just simply remove your imaginary Cartesian plane. And we will have here our final graphing. So this is what our graph looks like if the center is at -4 and 3 with radius 2.6.